In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Windows PC computer to your Canon TS3420. So the first thing we need to do is to go on the computer itself. And from here, we'll go on the Canon site where we'll be able to download a software to connect both of these. I'll put a link in the description where you can go directly in the page I'm showing you because it's quite long to type this manually. Once you're on this page, you're going to tap on B, connect to a computer or smartphone. Then it will ask you to download the Canon software. Simply press the download orange button and it will start downloading the file on your computer. Then you're going to open the file that we just downloaded. Then you're going to press yes. It will install the software. Once it opens, you're going to click on Start Setup. Then Next. Next. And now you just have to let it do its thing. It should take just a few seconds. It will download the last driver and software that you need to make this work. Then you'll have this screen. You need to tap on yes, then agree. And at this point, just make sure that your printer has been previously turned on. And here it will ask you if you want to connect the printer to your home wireless network or your business or office wireless network, which is the same as your PC is connected. Tap on yes if it's your wireless network appearing over here. This is mine. This step may take a few seconds or even a minute while the printer is connecting to internet. And at the end, you should have this screen with the green check mark. This means that the printer is now officially connected to the internet of your home or office. Then press Next. And now it will take a few seconds again to install drivers that will make the Canon printer work with your specific PC computer. You have here a small estimate telling you how much time it will take. In my case, it's 2 minutes. Maybe yours is faster if you have a faster computer. The screen will change, and again, you just have to wait while this spinner is going on. And again, we'll have this confirmation that you are now able to print from your computer with a green check mark. This is great. I'm going to press the next button. And we are finally done. You can continue online here to visit the Canon website, but you really don't need to do this. The next step is to go over here where is the Windows logo in the Start menu. Press once on it. Then go over here in Settings, press on it. The settings of your Windows computer will open up. Then press on Devices. And here you're going to click on Printers and Scanners on the left side. Then we're going to add this printer by clicking this plus sign. And now it will search for new printers. And here we go. This is our printer, the TS3400. Mine is the 3420, but it's the same thing really. So you're going to click on it. And then you should see add device. You're going to click on this button. And it will add it to your computer. This way we'll be able to print. It will say connecting. So it will try to connect to the printer. It may take again a few seconds. And at the end, to confirm, it will say ready. This means that we're finally done connecting this computer to the printer and we're ready to print. Now, before starting printer, again, just make sure you have paper and this paper tray is open. Now, depending what you want to print, in my case, let's say I have a document and I want to print it from Word. I'm going to go in File and choose Print. But if it's a picture in your case, you can always do Control P once you open the picture and a menu will open up. The menu should look very similar than the one that you're seeing right now on the screen. And you always have a preview to make sure that this is what you want to print. So over here under printer, make sure that the Canon TS3420 series is selected. If it's not the printer, just click on it and you'll have a drop-down menu with other printers. You just have to select it from the list. And then you're going to modify the settings here depending what you want, how many pages, if you want a specific page. Let's say in my case, I just want the page number 1. So I'll just type 1 over here. And when you're ready, you're going to print by clicking the print button. It will take just a few seconds and the Canon printer will take the page from the feeder. It may take a few more seconds. So this is how you connect your PC computer to your Canon TS3420 if you want to connect it and print wirelessly. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. I always try to read them. See you in the next one.